Hey guys, happy Friday. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I hope you've had a great week as well. I have such a good haul for you guys today. I hit the jackpot on some nautical or beach themed decor and craft supplies, and I'm so excited about that because last year I didn't really find a whole lot of that at my local Dollar Trees, and then bam, when I walked into Dollar Tree yesterday, there was a whole display up on the wall. They were starting to take down Easter, so I'm so excited about this haul. It's probably going to be quick, so let's go ahead and get started. So they came out with all of these crafting wood sign blanks, and they're in different colors. So I found this one that has an anchor and then a seashell, and I will try to put the measurements up on the screen for you. But you guys, they just knocked it out of the park with these. Look at that one, the starfish, and then I got the seahorse. There was one other wood blank to this collection, and it was red. It was a very bright red, and it had a sailboat on it. But you guys, how perfect are these for crafting, especially if you have a vinyl cutting machine? These are going to make excellent DIY home decor signs. You can also sell these if you make something cute, maybe say welcome. I did see one sign that was already pre-made that said welcome on it, and it had like I think a sand dollar or a starfish as the O. I elected not to get any of like the pre-made Dollar Tree beach or nautical signs. I would prefer to make my own, so that's why I got all of these. And I actually don't have a nautical theme in my house. I did in me and my husband in our first house, we did have a nautical or beach theme, but this gets me really excited to maybe dive back into that. And especially after we move, I think maybe I want to do some like redecorating or kind of change up my style. So I got that. And you guys, this was so exciting for me to find. I love whales. I love orcas or sea pandas. If they had a sea panda, I would have lost my mind. But this is the one I found. And these two canvases weren't in the whole nautical section that they have displayed, but I did find this on these on an end cap, and I thought these were gorgeous as well. I love how they have like this tropical floral print within the crustacean. So I just thought these were really cute, and these canvases are just a tad bit smaller than I guess like the standard canvas that Dollar Tree puts out, but I just thought these were so cute. They had a ton of like beach or nautical themed canvases in that section. I only picked out the whale, but now I'm kicking myself because I want to go back and I want to get one that had umbrellas on it. And there was a couple of like beach scenes. There was one with a couple chairs on it. I think I want to go back and get that too. But let's go ahead and move on. I found this paint your own wood tabletop decor. And I love how it's like outlined for you if you want to keep the quote or the saying, the sand and me. I'm probably going to paint over this and cut something out with my CRICUT, but I just thought it was so cute. You guys, I love the whale on here. I love whales so much. Picked up that. And I do want to mention that at one Dollar Tree, some of like the craft supplies or like the paint your own, these were in the CRAFTER'S square section. And then at another Dollar Tree, these were all together on display in the front of the store. So check your CRAFTER'S square section too if you don't see these on display in the front of the store, because they could be there. So picked up that, and I did get these painting or paint your own decor. So this one has a CRAFTER'S square label. So maybe that's why I found some of these in the CRAFTER'S square section. But you get 3 mermaid tails on here. And again, I love how they put in, or like wood burned, I think, the stencil for you on there. So you can just like kind of follow along and paint it in. So picked up these. I'm not sure if it came out last year. yesterday. I'm not sure if it came out last year, but again, I wasn't able to find a lot of these items. Like I think these came out last year and I just found them. They are like, I don't know if they're wood or what kind of material they are, but they are very good quality. And I got the 3 different colors, so red, white, and blue. And I'm probably going to end up painting over these. I'm probably going to make them gold and save them for probably like my husband's retirement. My husband is in the Navy and he's actually set to retire pretty soon. So I want to save some of like the anchor, especially like the anchor decor for when he retires for his like party. So went ahead and picked up those. And then I also found these paint your own mermaids. And these ones I did find in the CRAFTER'S square section. So here is the tag. So the CRAFTER'S square section is just coming out with new stuff every time I go there. I see new things, which is really exciting. It makes me feel a lot better about the price increase. Even though I wasn't upset about it in the beginning, it still just kind of makes me feel better that we're seeing new products, better products come out at the Dollar Tree. And I love how there are some real looking starfish details on these mermaids. So cute. I'm saving these for my daughter to paint for her bedroom. So I went ahead and picked up those. I found some metal decor. I was so excited about this seashell because I think it would be perfect to maybe add as a detail to one of these signs. Maybe this is a little big, but maybe if you're doing like a big front door welcome sign, you could pop this in as the O, and that would be really cute, especially if you are doing like a beach or nautical theme this summer for your house. I think that would be a really cute idea for that. And then I also found a lighthouse. So these also have that shore living label on them. And also Shore Living has stickers. So these weren't with the CRAFTER'S square section stickers. These were on that display with that label. But how cute are these pop-up stickers? I love these. This one is my favorite because of the whale, but oh my gosh, you guys, these are the 3 different sets that I found on a pegboard. There could be more out there, but oh, I'm so excited about those. Picked those up, and then I also found these nautical pins, or what do you call these? Clothespins. So we have some seahorses. I found sailboats. The starfish I think are my favorite. These are so cute. Some starfish. Paint your own or natural wood mermaids. And then whales. So these are great for crafting. And you can also maybe string up like a bunch of like small pictures or like Polaroids or something like that. These would look really cute for that, or like on a command center. These would look awesome. I think that's what I'm going to do with some of these supplies. So especially these 2 signs that I found. Oh, these are so cool. They're giant wooden tags, but they have like that push board or push pin board, cork board, I forgot what they're called, but you know what I mean, where you put like thumbtacks in and you can, oh my gosh. But these are so awesome, you guys. I love the octopus. I think just the image alone is amazing. Not even doing anything to this. I think I would just like hang it up on the wall and be happy with it. But I do, again, want to do like a command center kind of thing. I don't know how well like a push pin, maybe a small thumbtack would be fine in these actually, but I think this would look really cool for a command center. So You kind of have your big family calendar in the center, and then you kind of have these like off to the side, maybe like this or like this. I think that would look really cute. So that's what I'm saving these for, is for a command center. And then I found this wooden tabletop decor piece. They also had this non-painted, it was just natural wood, but I got the gray because I just thought it was a neutral color. It could go with anything. And this will probably go somewhere like, I don't know, maybe the bathroom. But I just couldn't pass this up. I really like the font on it too. I just thought it was really neat. So I went ahead and grabbed that. And that is also in the Shore Living section. I also picked up 4 new rolls of fabric, and these are also by the Shore Living brand. So found it in that same display, but again, check your Crafters Square area. But here are the different prints that I found. This one is really beautiful. So far, that's the favorite. This one might be the new favorite. Really love the anchors and the compass. Okay, this one's super cute. Was this one? There was also one more. It was a navy blue with just rope around it, and I didn't get that one, but I'm really excited about these fabrics. It makes me want to make like a nautical themed journal. I found this anchor, it's kind of hard to see, this anchor wreath form. And again, I think I'm gonna save this for my husband's retirement party, or maybe I might get another one and just use it as a front door wreath. And I'll probably just take nautical rope. I don't think mesh, I don't know, you could make a cute mesh wreath with this, but when I see this, I just immediately think of like nautical rope on it. And then maybe putting like a starfish or something on it would be really cute. But I was really excited to find that wreath form. And I'm not the best at wreath making. I think I've made a few that I've been okay with, but I'm usually not very good at it. All right, so that's everything as far as all of the nautical themed things that I picked out this week at Dollar Tree, but I'm sure there's gonna be more that's gonna come out later on as we roll into the summer months, and I'm excited for it. So let's go ahead and get into some things that aren't nautical related or just random. I found some new file folder pockets, expanding pockets or file folder holders at Dollar Tree, and I found them in baby blue, pink, and gray. Now, from just glancing at these, they look like they're maybe like 4 or 5 pockets, but they're actually 3, which is not a big deal, but I would have preferred more pockets. But it's still great for organizing your paperwork. I know we're getting ready to move soon, so this will be good to kind of organize some of our paperwork, and I'll get into that probably in another video sometime soon. I don't know when, but when the time does come, I will be doing like moving vlogs and packing videos and stuff for you guys if you're interested. But next up, I found these bamboo rings, and at first when I like looked at it, I thought it was those embroidery hoops, but they're not. They're just bamboo, 2 bamboo rings. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with these. You could do a lot of different crafts with these. You can make like those tabletop sculptures that are kind of like one loop is inside of the other. You can make like a baby mobile or a wind chime out of these. There's a ton of different things that you can do. I just haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with these yet, but I was really excited to find those in the Crafters Square section. And then I found some bird tabletop decor, you guys. These are so sweet. I found blue, white, and pink. And I love how they have like these little golf ball dimples on them. But what I think I'm gonna do with these is spray paint these like a dark gray, or maybe even like use a textured spray paint to make them look like concrete or stone birds. It fits better with my decor that way, but I just couldn't pass these up. You guys are so cute. And I did get the 3 different colors. to show you what was available. But I did find these in like the home decor section where they have picture frames and candles and Dollar Tree signs. That's where I found these cute little guys. And I also found more trinket trays, not like I needed any more, but here we are. I found a leaf trinket tray, and this is quite large. I found this one, and then I found this one, and I just thought they were beautiful. This one also came in pink with a different floral pattern on it, as well as another leaf with a different shape to it. But these were the two that I picked out. I can't pass these up. These are great to put on your bedside nightstand, to put your rings or maybe your watch, your keys or something like that in. You can also use these on your craft desk to keep washi tape and things from flying around while you're working. I just love changing these out during the different seasons on my nightstand, in my now guest bedroom. I just have these things all over the house, to be honest. So I picked up two more to add to my collection. And Easter is coming up in 2 days, so I decided to grab this deviled egg container with a lid. I love these SureFresh containers. I have a couple of the cupcake ones, and they also have one that is for a cake. And then this time I found one for deviled eggs, and I just thought that was really neat. Kind of wish there was more slots. My husband would tear up this whole tray in 5 minutes. He loves deviled eggs, but I just thought this is a really neat container to have, especially if you're having a barbecue or something outside or a brunch outside. This is perfect because it'll keep flies out of the food. So love these SureFresh containers, and I'm going to be making deviled eggs with some of the dyed Easter eggs that we do. And the very last items are these hardware storage cases. I picked up four or five more of these. I love these things. You can find them in the hardware section. They have, I think, 6 different compartments in them of different sizes, and they're perfect for a ton of different things. I use a couple for earring storage to keep the pairs separated. I also brought this as an example to show you guys battery storage. So I have like different sizes of batteries in each compartment. So that's another thing that you can use these for. I picked up more of these because I want to try to organize a couple of my junk drawers. I know it's kind of defeats the purpose of having a junk drawer because it's all like kind of scattered. But I do want to try to organize some things. So that's why I got these. You could also, I've seen on Pinterest that you can use compartment storage containers like this for toddlers, especially if you're traveling you have a long drive or on an airplane. These are perfect to put like different little snacks in. You can put like fruit snacks or like little yogurt melts in here, popcorn, nuts, different things like that. So they just have a little kind of bento box of snacks to go through. You could also put different toys in here. You could probably fit a couple of different Matchbox cars, and little, kind of make a little busy box for them. I used to have a little busy box for my daughter that I made from Dollar Tree supplies in my truck when she was little to play with. So all right guys, so that's everything for this Dollar Tree haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you aren't currently subscribed, I would love to have you, and I want to wish you all a very happy Easter this weekend if you do celebrate Easter, and if you don't, I hope you have an amazing weekend as well. So until my next video, I hope you all stay safe and